Hello? I like that song. The shader's pretty cool too. Too much cream, too much sugar. Maybe I should do it more often. Make it taste less like coffee. How unfortunate. Maybe I should try harder to like coffee. What was my suggestion for myself here? Right. Remove the dingus dongus. It works without it. So I was working on a card game a little bit yesterday. Think I should. I mean, it's gonna take 1 second, right? So. Right. Sorry, here. And then that's it. That's the whole thing. And this. Ooh, like music. If every funk song was like this, whew. Okay, what's up? Why is it hitting me? Ah, cool. Yeah, easy. Okay. Um. Okay, easy. Nice little 33 minus. Okay, onto this. So I was thinking I'd do. Ooh, the BSP implementation first. Mmm, sugar. What? Oh. Hmm. Okay, so what's going on? In here, the loader, you insert. Hmm. Right. Hmm. So I want this code, but really, like the textures can just already be there, and it's just a function call. Right. So the trouble is this specialized code needs to operate on this object that exists in a different module. So either I need a trait or a function call like this. Some kind of special object. And you know, it. Oh, right. It's yeah, it's all one function. Um. Oh, it's render configs new. But yeah, though that's the deferred loader as well. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Right. So option texture is because it can fail. But what I want is to have this constructible from here. I guess I just make a function. Um, like RBX render configs or something. New render configs. Bruh. Oh my god. Index option. What result? Option result. So option is because there is a no texture, and result is because the parse can fail. But like, why not just fail the parse earlier? Yeah, so that would be in here, gabagoo, and then anytime I deal with this guy, which is actually quite a bit, acquire render texture ID. Like, is that not just a recoverable error? Because it turns into texture none. Get surface appearance recoverable errors. My brother. Um. Option. Recoverable errors. Surface appearance property. Oh wow. Wait. Oh, this is mega. Yeah. So I would be adding a bunch of variants to this, or maybe not that much. Decal property instance path. You what? Oh. Decal surface appearance. What? Surface appearance. Um. Hmm. Okay. I mean, I can see some stuff I can refactor, but I don't know if I should. Oh, I needed DB anyways. Classes get surface appearance. Okay, so has superclass surface appearance. Yeah, I guess it's not the biggest deal. Oh, I forgot to get my old cup of coffee. I'm gonna go gulp that quick. All right. Day old microwave coffee. Yes. Gotta get my caffeine somehow. Hot. Microwave coffee. Great job. All right, time to clean up. Beautiful. Yes, it's on the bottom of the mug as well. A disaster. In the making. Okay. So I'm not going to do that optimization. Yeah. Why A? Oh, A stir, I see. Um, oh man, that's nasty. Um, I'm trying to return a better value from this. Okay, it's recoverable errors, push instance path. So it's just missing a property. So errors. Okay, there we go. Nasty coffee vanquished. Um, hmm. Seems to me like it's a recoverable error. Um, oh, that's so much better. Sweetness. Oh. Wait a minute. There you go. There you go. Isn't that nice? Oh, party hat. It's for like Twitch employment anniversary. Great. Great. Real, yeah, party on. Man, I wish Twitch would die and get replaced by something else that's less corporate. And it's not like it's like corporate disguised as party. Like the hype train stuff. It gets under my skin. Yeah, give us more money. So this is a general happy money earning. Actually, I wonder if I can F for reverse, and if there's any others. Ooh, pop reverse. Would you look at This guy can do it as well. Dom to full path of instance referent with a period. Us. Um. Okay, and then this one, same thing. Map fixer. I don't think this is as important, you know. Oh. Hello? Oh, this is main. Okay, I'm like, are we gonna go there sometime today? Okay, why is this miscolored? Fail block, upload action. Right, so this is the old way of doing map fixes. Is there anything here? Right, attributes. That's right. I was considering making a map processing step where it would inject attributes into the map. It would replace the part names with attributes. The only way to make that not break the game would be with the integration tests, and that's just not a thing. Like, it's just non-deterministic. It just the Roblox game just is a bad developer experience. Okay, I don't need to do this. The other one was fun though. What is it? Who did this? Validator. That's right. Map service. Refactor to use Bing Bong. Okay. Use full path of weak DOM. That's GG right there. Haha, yes. And then goodbye everything. Convert. Yes, I'm like one. Okay. What do we have? We have no texture. There's a texture that's like I have no texture. None. And then, like, shouldn't that map to that? I think this is the right way to go. I think extending this errors is the correct thing. So, like, I have all these goober errors here. I guess just write it. Wait, decal error. This is part of the refactor. Okay. Yeah. So it's gonna be exactly like this, but completely different. So this is decal error. Oh jeez. The error is error, like that. Yeah, bud. And then there's a few dudes that use it. Asset ID parse. Uh-oh. Mesh part property content. Oh. Oh, they're different errors. Oh my goodness. Okay, what was the shape error instance path part shape? Okay, invalid missing property. Okay, what was it called? Shape content. Okay. Wait, content instance path. Um Call it a content error. And then wow. Instance path error. Following bings have bong. Write bespoke error. C frame float convert failed path error. Bomb. Error. What is error? Whoa. Oh, that's the field. You what? Error field. Path field. Bespoke error. Rilla. Parse in error. Would you look at that? It's a bespoke error. Okay. So now we're talking about decal bespoke error. Oh. Normal ID is invalid. Why is that there? Shouldn't this be up here with decal? Normal ID. Whatever. Okay. So this is going to be decal content. Texture content. Yeah, something. Hmm. Did I put any errors with the lifetimes? I did not. String unsupported class. Insert class as stir2 owned. Okay, get owned. So where does this aha? Oh, I mean it could work. Recoverable errors could hold a lifetime. You insert the recoverable errors part 1. I think that's just fine. I could totally just do that. Sure, whatever. So it makes things annoying, but it's not a public interface. It says pub, but it's wait. Pub. Pub crate is basically it. Huh. What if I say this? Lib. Recoverable errors. Why? Excuse me. Convert errors. Recoverable errors comes out the other side. Okay. I mean, it really shouldn't have public fields. So like everything else has these lifetimes already, and it's just the same lifetime. So like whatever. There you go. Easy. Recoverable errors A. Oh, it's got no lifetime. Oh, is that problematic for my man? Self recoverable errors. Oh. So that's true. That's true. We'll say A. So true. And then this is A, and then everybody's very happy about that. Okay. So then what do you want? Partial map 2. That's real. That's a real one right there. Okay, so same deal. Just pass it on down. So string, context string, parse int context. Who has done this? Show code, no. Did it say generate a better method? Oh, getter method. I'm like, are you trashing my code? XD. Okay, so um what am I looking at here? E, get attributes error, parse int content. Oh, match E, parse int context. You what? Oh, what? Whoa, there's a smoke load of those. Cool. Parse int context. Captures 2. So Regman captures who has this? Whose string is that? Other. I am name stir. So I would need to add a lifetime here and relate that to name. Doable. Let's see. Let me fix the error first. Okay, what do you want? Lifetime parameter. Die. What about you? What do you want? That's right, that's right. Get smoked. Okay. Decal content. Just wait a minute. Okay. Nice. Okay. Then you convert output. Oops. Oh yeah. Pub function. Convert to sniff DOM. You don't gotta. Oh, it has ownership. A IO error other boxed in. Not gonna work. Cannot have lifetimes in my errors. Oopsie. No lifetimes in the errors. It's generally a bad idea because like the lifetime implies that the data you're reading and you can have errors while processing must outlive the errors, but quite often you want to drop that and the errors live longer, and if the error holds a lifetime onto it, you can't. If the error is holding a reference into that data, then you can't drop it because it's in use. And Rust enforces this at compile time. So by adding a lifetime to the error, it makes it annoying. I could add an extendo lifetime string interment thing, but that's just like so much extra stuff. Okay, what's going on? I got distracted by adding lifetimes. Ooh, that's good. It wasn't. Okay, so I think the lifetime thing is a bad idea, and I'm gonna just undo it all. Come on, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Pop lock it, drop it. Okay. Loader, use, weak DOM. Give me that. Alright, let's GG. Oh my god, bro. And then now, bespoke error decal content. Content. Texture content. Does not resolve to asset ID. But it doesn't say what it was. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, what is up? We're gonna do decal. Why? Okay, clipboard's broken. Clipboard's fixed. A decal. Content failed to parse. Period. Content error. Okay. It's probably my favorite song in the album. Oh, we're already that far through the album? Wow. Nice. Error field. More victims of the AI viewer scam. How do people fall for that? It seems so obvious as someone who has played RuneScape. Scams, like, I'm not immune to scams. For sure, I'm not immune to scams. But I'm vaccinated. RuneScape as a scam vaccine. Maybe I should play more RuneScape. Get like up to date on my scam tactic knowledge. Okay, so texture content does not resolve to asset ID. Oh, so then the actual error would need to happen. I really don't want pub create fields. Oh, it's always vec. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, hash set. Oh. Hmm. Not always. It's only here. Shh. Do you think this should be just part of this? It's kind of like a sub module. Well, great syncopation. Okay, so I'm adding a new error where the asset ID is a URL, but really I need the ID. It fails to parse because my textures either are no texture or a texture. There's no like error texture. Maybe there should be, but it's kind of fun. That is what I've got here. That'd be interesting to like generate an error texture with like the text in the texture. Literally just like make a new texture on the fly. Interesting idea based on where's my function signature? Right here. So this loader has an ID generator in it, and it'll deduplicate items that you put into it and give you an ID for each new unique item. And H is just anything that's hashable. And so my H here is an optional parse result. So I'm trying to parse an asset ID out of a string. And if it fails to parse, I'm like, oh, okay, well, there's the string. So I could actually do this. That's actually doable. Based on this function signature, I could generate a texture with the string in it instead of fetching the asset ID, decoding the image, converting it to, what is it, DDS? What's the GPU texture format? BC7? There's a lot going on. But I think that's a bit much. I think instead of this, I should have this. No result. There's no... So like if I was going to generate textures like that, then that would make sense to do that. But I'm not gonna. So I should deduplicate everything that's missing a texture. Just like straight away. And I guess I wrote this before that existed. Before the recoverable errors existed. That's a really cool song. Oh my god, bro. Where is the other guys? Come on, bro. Okay, ain't no result. What do you want, bro? Oh, I see. Indeed. Yeah. No, I guess I just shove it in to here. Get surface appearance returns no lifetime. I'm Bing chilling here. Like that. Okay. And then it'll smoke a little recoverable error into there. We go like oh, I guess this is an ampersand, isn't it? And okay. Asset ID equals to texture ID parse. Bing bong done? Expected bool. Oh, and let. There you go. Wow, wow. Oh, wow, that was easy. Rust is great. I well, I don't know why I didn't expect that to be so great. Okay. Parse. Oh, problem. I need the else. Where's the guy? Where did I just edit? Oh god. Oh god. Get surface appearance. Right. Here. Okay. So it's the else case for this, but not for this. As URI. Oh, and I actually want the error too. Okay. Well then that's like this then. That's a match. Texture ID parse. I don't know, dude. Ugh. Oh, I guess I can do that, eh? Error E. Recoverable errors push. Oh, decal content push. Content error. I liked the interface I made for the other one. I thought that looked cool. Parse in context, just like do it all in here. I think that's good. So I can do that as well. Content error bababooey. Parse. This guy right here. From stir error equals t parse boom t self. Real input parse context. No. Instance path. Oh, but it doesn't work. What how did the other one work? Context. Oh. Well, that's kind of nice actually. And this is my function, so I can actually schmuck it right in there. I can just go like, oh, but I would need the DOM as well. But I have the DOM object. I guess this is new. Content error new. DOM. Do I have the DOM stuff in here? No. Oh, I'm gonna have a bunch of these. I like the context. kind of like add onto it later. Path error context. I love the context. It's very nice. Missing asset ID. Very calming music. So the other one was nice because it was a simple parse error. Parse int context. It doesn't include the path, hey? Mode ID parse int context. Wait, am I using this? No, I'm not. Why do I have chocolate on my hand? On my arm? We're back. Oh my god. Happy affiliate anniversary. I want to murder Twitch. That might be hot. So it doesn't include the instance path. Oof. Excuse me. Beamer. Now we're into the Super Mario Galaxy music. Oh, shader. Never closed it. What was I gonna look up? What do I actually need here? So I wanted to make a parse function, but map error. Yeah, new. Maybe it goes parse map error externally, and I can also add the instance path. Okay, you're so loud. To the bungus error up here. Parse int. Wait, parsing context. Wait, is this inside other errors? No, it's the main error. Mode ID parse int. Warm out ID parse int. Womp womp. If I add a path here, and then instead of saying parse, I go like new, and I say error is parsing error, and then we also have and the other guy. Oh, but then instance path. Oh, I suppose input. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Uh, I should just cut it out. Yeah, that's why. That's why. Damn, cold air is going hard. So I don't have instance path. Like the specific error I think is actually not that important. It just sucks to instance these errors. It just takes so much code to put in the instance path, the error, the context. Bah. You know, what'd be nice is if you could have, like pub like this. Oh, 7. Where you can only have a share. You can only take a shared reference, or like ref. Yeah, like that. So you can only take a reference. You can't take an exclusive reference. That would be nice. I wonder why Rust doesn't have that. That'd be like auto getters, basically. I would have to think about that to really sink in what that would mean. Okay. Stop being all crazy. God. So we have an optional string. We need to Maybe that's not so bad. All right, I'm gonna grab the guys, the imports that I need, which is nowhere to be found. What? Really? I just raw. Well, I just do it raw every time. Okay. That seems a bit odd. Like, why do I not import this? Wow. Use. Yeah. Not true. It's on the other side. Oh, I really don't like how it's not a complete song. I'm gonna make it private and deref. Hello? Oh. Hello? Hello? Why is this not doing this? Oh. I had to freaking type that whole thing out. Is it new? New, it's new map error, right? New. Content error. It's like you're not making a new error. You're parsing content. Yeah, we don't need T here. Fromster error. Nah. Self. Oh. Oh, that's fancy. Okay, T. We don't need all this crap. We just say, like, hi, I'm a guy, and then you're done. Okay, let's go with parse. And include all the bing bong. Dom. Weak dom. Instance. Done. Easy. Done. And then you go like, oh, I'm a path. And then I go instance path. New. Yep. Dumb instance. Done. Comma. Thumbs up. Map error. Oh god. What do you want? Missing a type? No. Okay, so let's just import these bad boys at the top. What are we looking at? We're looking at this guy. QRS. Use asset ID. Both. Actually. There you go. Semicolon. And nobody is the wiser. What's going on here? Underscore. Oh, dummy. Parse int context. Yeah, it should be. Oh, parse int error. Ha! I can't call it that. That's why. Should I call this a Roblox asset ID error? I think that's just fine. Diddle diddle diddle. It just. Oh, it didn't. Okay, I thought it would be dummy to have these things in here, but maybe it's not so dummy. Oh, well, yeah, look. Unnecessary path segments. So I did already have it in there. All right, all right. Indeed, parsing context. Parse T for real. Right, it's right. The whole nice part. Hey, come on, show me all the dudes. The nice part about this was, oh, never mind. Oh no, it's chilling. Okay, that's chilling. I thought it'd be not chilling. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So then you just go like, what is up? And then you're done. Okay, and then everybody get down. So this is not necessary. Recoverable errors, right? Gay. And then as you are parse push match. How's the other guys done? Else. Ah, let else. That works. Okay. Let oh, well, I mean, it's unwrap or else. But it doesn't run. It's continue. It's a diverging path, but I want to grab the error. What's the best way to do that? I guess it's match. Like, what I'm quibbling about here is I don't want to write this. Okay, texture ID. Texture ID. Like, that just is obvious. Option map parse. But geez. Map. Bruh. Yeah, it's map parse. This is not clean. It's trolling? Why is it trolling me here? Oh, I see. I see. Okay. It's because it expects the match branches to have the same return value, but they don't. This one has to diverge. It has to continue, so it can't be inside a closure. Actually, are you allowed to name this? Can I do like, bruh, and then can I go like, hey, I mean, I know I'm inside a closure, but like, Continue. Bruh. Didn't think so. Unreachable label. Nah. Thought so. Okay. So what happens? It's map, but is it? It's like, I mean, if I write if let, I would need a else branch. Great pain. This is great pain. All right, this is match, I guess. Match. Some texture ID. Match again. Parse it out. Continue. Semicolon, bruh. None of that. Some. And then what comes next? None maps to none. In a surprise to no one. Option. Oh, I guess it's some, isn't it? Some maps to some. In a surprise to no one. All right, what's up? SID parse error. You what, mate? Oh, it's yeah, right. It's my my goober. Roblox asset ID error colon parse texture ID. Haha. 3 arguments. So true. DOM decal. Okay. Okay, let's. I hate this so much. I'm gonna put it into AI. Okay, and then these guys need their context. Oh, do we not have the context here? Nah. This is very goofy. Rilla, dude. This is only used right here. Deferred attributes dot name. Oh, instance doesn't exist anymore. But I haven't mutated the DOM, so why couldn't I like hold a reference? Goobity goobity goob. Goobity goobity goob. Whoa. Oh. Such great pain. Okay. Uh, I guess not, buddy. Guess we don't touch that. You just stay as it is. The irritation. Okay, content error is not real. It is actually um row your boat error. Texture ID push E. So true. Absolutely true. 100% true. DOM object. Got you. Okay, and then that's a little bit more like on point. If let some yeah. What's up with you? As URI or else IZ cont. What is I have to do both. This is just the first one. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, boss. It's the last one. Oh. You know, I should make a function. What am I doing? Yeah, put this. Oh. But it doesn't work. Because this. I guess I could. But it's literally just this function. Is this a transpose type situation? Can I map parse transpose error? If let error? Let's try. Oh hey, it's AI. Alright, let's give this guy a go. Hey, it actually shows up. Cool. A new version is available. No. Okay, Is there a more idiomatic way to write this? Fix my code. Computer. Okay, so then we do map. Gah, like this. Bum bum bum. Texture ID. Transpose. Result option. Error. Error good? Okay, good. This go away. Everybody better. Yeah! Okay. Slightly smaller. Transpose do be goated. Map parse transpose. Just map parse transpose. There's 0% chance it figures this out. Oh, look, it wrote the same thing again. Nice. You got it. For sure, yeah. Stupid AI. Stupid. Okay, so where's the other function? It's right here. Is this the same? Okay, it's already. I'm already throwing it away. So this is like okay. Yeah, I need the same deal down here. What else? What? Let else? No. Match. This doesn't need a like short circuit path, right? Yeah. So this should be okay. Texture content as URI parse. Map. I can map parse here. Map parse. I don't know if I need transpose, but this is getting out of hand. Map parse transpose match. Why don't we break this down into more lines of code? Where's the guy? We lost him. He's dead. Unlucky. Unlucky. Oh, the clipboard broke. That's why. That is very, very annoying. This is option none. Why did I put a comma there? This is recoverable errors push situation right here. Wait, it just finished typing out some garbage? Question mark. Process item. Yeah, but that doesn't work. Alright. That's wrong. All right, that it just didn't help at all. Nice. Okay. So we want this. E. Okay. Woo! Or else. Woo! Woo! Okay, who is that? Texture. Who did this? Who am I? Object? Okay. There you go, bud. Oh my god. So that was just the first one. There is others. So that's decal content. No. Oh, did I freaking smoke this out? Instance path. Whoa. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, mate. Okay, we go here. Option. What? Did I write the function signature? Okay, it's right here. Okay. Result. No. Just like this, you know, just like that. Okay, so you got an asset ID or you don't, and this is not real. Oh, can I disable this affiliate anniversary thing? I want to kill it with fire. Okay, we have index. It literally just ignored it otherwise. That's hilarious. Okay, so now finally we can zip here. This is finally able to zip. This is kind of part of it. Decal content error. Kind of, not really. This is not part of it. It's all part of a big refactor. Okay, so next one. Next. Go next. Push the big one. Push. Okay, go next. Next error. Who else? Who's next? Relax asset ID. Okay, so this is this. Oh, is that it? Did I do it? Oh, I did it. Yeah. Okay. Who is that? I am a decal. And then this is something else, and then this is the mesh part. Yeah. Okay, so this is wrong. Mesh part. Oh. Interesting. Okay, buddy. Okay. We go with the error. Hi, I'm the error. And then we go texture content. Where mesh. Mesh part. Have missing property. Mesh part. Texture content. Gabagoo. Okay, there you go. And this is mesh part. Yeah. And then we go up to the error. Decal. Mesh part. Mesh part. There you go. Okay, easy, done. Got him, coach. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Most of the work was up front. Okay. So then, now what? Now I try to zip it all up. Okay. We do not care. We do not care. We do not care. So we need something to happen. This stuff, we do not care. Um, um, expects the provided textures to be the same order and number as render as loader iteration order. Period. Yes. And if I accept the loader as a reference, then you can hold a reference to the loader while also generating the loader. You can do it good. You can do it good. I promise. Okay. Okay. So we got that. We got that iterator. I got that iterator. You know I got that iterator. For real. Load index resource result. Is that allowed? Texture error. I suppose it is. Okay, so I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. Okay. I is me iterator. Who are you? Iter. No, this we need to name this. It's textures. Textures. It's an iterator. We could say I. That's allowed. We'll do new lines here because it's less confusing. Where? Okay, and then now we need a trait bound. Into iterator item equals result load. Who killed this? Help. Oh, come on. Save. Show me the old texture. Boom, it's this. Okay. Texture or a texture error. You must into iter exact size iterator. I mean that's kind of goofy, but okay, let's try. Textures dot into iter boom dot zip loader see enumerate texture ID index option Resource result. Eh, 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 eh. There you go, bud. Texture. Zzz. That's right. That's right. Uh-oh. Index. Ooh. Where did that come from? What the heller? Wayment. Wayment. We do not care? Wayment. Index. Wayment. Rilla? We do not care? I am confusion. We legitimately do not care about the loader. That comes as a surprise. So I could actually straight up drop it. Texture. Resource result. Texture. Do I want option texture here? Texture error. I don't think I need to have this here. It's infallible? What's the nicer way of writing this? I mean, I could put item into exact size iterator, but like... Error, 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 error. The... There is no error. There is no reindex option. There is only resource result, and it's not a resource result. Texture bingus, huh? Default to none, maybe texture like. Failure mode, what? Error loading texture happens earlier, don't it? This is like I'm on that like code shrinkage. Yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. This guy. No. Texture equals texture. Like what? Texture ID. Like dude. It's just like it's like this. Collect. No question mark. No doubt. No problem. No how. Whoa. I mean, shouldn't I just map maybe texture? Yeah. Maybe texture map. Oh, it freaked it. Just some end. T. Take self. Bool. Yeah, we don't want that. Yeah, I'll just match. Oh. No, not quite. Yeah, I'll match on the outside here. Match. Like this. And then we say, maybe texture some texture become this one. Boing. And none texture become no. None. Why do you hate me? What do you want? Hello. Expected texture render config found option unknown. Oh, obviously. There you go. Wait. Come on, bro. Oh, option some. There's no failure mode. That. What? Like, this is kind of just looking like. It's already done, you know? Like, the work has happened outside. And, like, this code is general enough to go into render configs new. The problem is you have to do the work. Option texture. This is like collapsing at the speed of molasses. Very slowly reducing lines of code and like figuring out that there is no error. It's like this is like it just like goes. The data just goes through unobstructed. Basically, is basically just generating the texture IDs. I think that this guy can also do that. Like it's remapping it later, and I think that step can be deleted as well. Let's delete function and put it as Mimi new function. Like the mesh loader is Shrimler. Where are you? We are in here. Deferred loader source texture render configs new. No. Do like this. It is very much not const. So this is new. Gabagoo, and then it makes a me self. Sure. Yeah. Sorted textures. No. Why did it do that? Oh, it's right there. So the errors all happened before. That's crazy, bro. Loader, we can specify that. So it can actually consume this as an iterator. So I'm collecting here. Can't I? No, I see. I can't remap the textures here. What? Yes, I can. I'm generating them. I only gave out render config IDs. Right. So there could be a duplicate render config with no texture. There can't. No, yes, there can. Option texture. It's this guy. Option. Oh yeah. It's like I changed it. It's option Roblox asset ID, and that's the only thing. So either you have a unique asset ID, or you have no texture, and it's the only no texture. Code shrinking. Okay, where's the errors? Who's next? What do you want? Texture error is not real. This loading do need to happen, though. It's my error. Hello. I don't have error. Okay, convert error. What? Not real? That's so crazy. So it's gonna be like that. Not real. Not real. Not real. The render configs equals to like it just kind of doesn't even matter. I can just take ownership of this and it doesn't matter. So what is up, my dudes? Okay, texture loader insert. Nah. What do we? Dun, dun. So this, we do not care. We do not care. We do not care. We do not care. Into iter, map the index all y'all, and then render configs new. Continue. This gets simpler too. Watch me go. Question mark. F as read. Okay. Ooh. But it expects texture. Am I allowed to make texture? Hi. Yes. Where? Libby. So, I mean, this is a bit gooby to like put this here. Colon. Oh, is that? No, sir. We got it. Free texture loader is not real. Oh my god. Big. Are we trolling? Expected dingus dongus found dingus dongus. That's true. I can't believe it. I just. It's so easy. Do I have async in here? Tokyo. I do. So I could literally like make this function async, read all the files in parallel, collect it. No one would be the wiser. Into iterator. Like, but like it just doesn't matter. Huge simplification, he said confidently, and then the code grew anyways. Oh! Minus 84! Okay, does it still work? CD, me when the strafe, when the map, cargo build, CD cargo build, there you go. Okay. Pretty juicy refactor removing error like that. Just like several layers of intermediate allocations gone. Okay, does it work? Wow. Engine. Wow. So either it broke completely and silently failed on it. This is the old version of the map, or it worked perfectly and I just reduced a bunch of code that I didn't need. And I'll do the same thing with the other guy. So what happened? Who did this? Roblox emulator errors. It looks like it just worked perfectly. First try, no problems. So that's a nice step in the right direction. See ya. Texture loader. Garbage. So there's no such thing as load failure mode. It's all just up to the caller. Just simple, 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 simple. Let's look at the overall diff. That's always satisfying. Oh, really? Please sign in. Oh, okay. Refactor the loader. Plus 500 lines of code. I hope it gets smaller in the end. It may not because of the Roblox loader error I added. This guy gets 5 billion new dudes. Go. Hello. Go. There you go. 33. Oh, it's only 33 lines of new code. Yep. Not too bad. So this is moved here, but it's also taken away from everywhere else. What happened here? Roblox CLI. Huh? Oh, this is the mesh loader. Yeah, one line of code. No, it's infallible. Minus loader, huge. CLI loader, ain't none of that. Cool. Okay, well done. Whew. So I was gonna do this after, but I did it first. Classic. So nice. I mean, do we even need to collect this? Like, once again, this could just be a little generic guy and just yoink your iterator and pull it all the way through. Hum. So the next simplification will be like not needing to collect as a render configs here. So render config is new. Like, I could just make it generic and you just send it through. That doesn't need to collect, as far as I'm aware. Add mesh prior meshes. Yeah. So then this guy goinks the render configs, and the first thing I do is just turn it into iterators. Iterators on top. Wait, into iter. Isn't it an iterator? It is. You goober. It's already an iterator, buddy. Gonna need to think about this. So this right here is making this texture ID mapping. It's going like, oh, yeah, there's no texture there. It's filtering out stuff with no texture. Ugh. It's so much work to undo my complexity explosion. Keep working, keep working. It's only 11:30. Why don't I write it down here? So this is, yeah, see, into iterator, new, consume, iterator, filter map. That's goofy. Um, like, you have textures here with their texture ID. Into iter flatten enumerate. No, it needs to be. We need to have the same number of render configs. Is that true? Same number of render configs. We handed out render config IDs. To everybody. And we didn't know until, yeah. So we didn't know how many textures the map wanted until we read the map. And then we don't know which textures can be loaded and aren't missing until we look for the files. So we don't want to interlace that process. We don't want to be reading the file and then like looking at textures like that, because that's specific to the specific way it's loading the textures, which is different for the map service, which loads them from S3, and for the map tool, which loads it from files that are previously downloaded. So you don't want to interlace that process, because like for the map service, it's asynchronous, and that's like function coloring issues. And the map tool is IO, and that's like IO error garbage going on. So I've like open it up. I'm like, okay, these are all the textures the map wants to load. Go load them however you want, and just give me an iterator that feeds me the textures in the same order as I gave you the iterator, which is a very not obvious interface, but it's an interface to my own library. Could be better. I don't know how it could be better, though. I don't know specifically how, but I do know it's a little bit sucky. How? Okay, filter. Okay, what? Render configs. What? Yes. Okay, so I can generate fewer textures. Easy clap, right? Yeah. I do need to textures. Texture. Vec option texture. What happens here? So I can actually skip this step. This can go into the render configs. Gabagoo. And I don't need this gabagoo. So I can go like, who did this? Yes, textures render configs. Exactly. That's right. Yeah. For real. For real. There's no map. It just generates them as these. As these. And then you got it, bro. There's no hash map. Nothing at all. Just get it, got it, done. Alright. See a champ. See a chump. So we can actually zoink it straight out. Give to me your texture. Ooh, it's widowy vec texture for real, and then vec render config. Yeah. So the render configs are the same order as the iterator and the same number as the iterator, but some of them multiple may have no texture, even though that's wasteful. We already gave out the IDs, so we can't do anything about it, but it is an error to have a missing texture. They're not supposed to be like that. So, okay, so then we can just put this here, this way, blah, 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 whatever. Who cares? Nobody cares. Get out of here. Okay, so then all we do, textures into iter enumerate. So So this is gonna live forever here. The textures, once it no, actually, right? It saves it to a file. Juicer, okay. It might live forever. We might want to resize it. Do I box? No, I just have a vec. Like, yeah, just do it easy, okay? Take it easy. Okay, so into iter enumerate. I really want to like flatten here, but I need the render configs to be the same length. So uh-oh. Crikey. Oh well. Well, it's okay. We'll just let my textures equals vec new, and then cry about it. So cry about it. Cry about it. Okay, so how many missing textures? It depends on how close it is to a power of 2. Okay, it's like 240 bytes, okay? There's like 100 textures times... No, it's like 2,000 bytes. Oh no! My file format wasted 2 kilobytes of memory, no! Nobody cares. Shut up. Okay, let's do it. Enumerate texture ID. We do care about the texture ID. But that's not it. We have the privilege to generate the texture IDs. Watch and learn. Gabagoo. So all we do is I am the texture, see ya, get wrecked, gabagoo. Map maybe texture. I think I can actually. Oh God! Wait. Option. Wait. Map. It's not filter map. Let's try map. I think I can get away with this. Map. I am doing map. So then, this guy is like this. I am texture. We go. Texture plus texture darling. Is that allowed? I say oh, so cringe. Okay. This word is starting to look weird. Map. Right. Who is this? Texture ID. Real? I see. Hell yeah. That's juicer. Okay. You got him. Curly brace. One of these. Crap. Who else? You. Get out of here. Hey! Okay, what's up? Type annotations. That's a lie. That's a lie. Wait, Intuit or texture? It's literally option texture. Are you dumb? Are you daft? Really, dude? What? What do you mean? Oh, is it because of this? No. Why is this trolling me so hard? You're kidding. Push the damn texture. Oh no, it's 2 kilobytes. Dude, option texture. Why are you trolling? Literally, the type comes from here. Textures push texture. You what, mate? Expected option texture found texture. Oh my. Wait, but this is. Okay, it's trolling. Okay, it's trolling. What? No. What? Oh my god. I named the variable the same. Unlucky. There you go, boss. Okay. Should I just call it iter? It's literally from iter. Didn't I write that already? Render configs from iterator? Or was it another intermediate one? Yeah, it was the frickin' something else. Didn't I already write that? Us. Huge simplification into render configs. Was it the mesh one? Am I stupid? Where's the from iterator that I wrote? Yeah. Okay. And we delete this texture. Okay. Okay. It's literally this. Okay. And we do need to yoinky sploinky. Literally, you're done. You're done. That's it. Wait. No. Please? Are you trolling me? This is trolling me. It's trolling me. What? That's such a huge troll. What the heck? Am I not allowed to say self? Cannot. Oh, I didn't say let. There you go. Okay, from iterator. It's literally this. There you go, bud. Woo. If you implement from iter, you can do collect, right? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Evacuate. What are you smelling? Alright, dude. Whatever. Whatever. Just yoinky sploinky. Push texture. Good gravy. I think I can yoinky sploinky like this, and then we're chilling. Okay, what do you want? Okay, yoinky sploinky. Okay, and then got him, and then what's up? Nothing. Wait, why? Texture. Who happened? What happened? Consume. We're good. Where is the goober? Oh, it's out. somewhere else down here. So looky, I can collect. Watch. Um, I mean, there's a few more things baked into that. Plus, filter textures immediately. Filter is a bad choice of word here. Texture filtering is a thing. Deduplicate. I actually am not deduplicating. What is this called? Map texture ID. It's like the plus avoid generating texture IDs that need to be remapped. Basically. Huge minus. Let's go minus. I'll just change it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Love to see this. Oh my god. Just got so simple. Everything is fantastic. Let's go. Okay. No, oh. Really? The mesh is from iter? That's crazy. Shout. We already handed out enumerate filter map mesh ID. How does this work? Consume collect. My brother man. What? Why is there two? Strafe product. Oh, Roblox.bsp loader, obviously. Okay. Okay, so it's saying the mesh IDs can have holes. Mesh ID map based on mesh that failed to load. Where is the cursor? There it is. Do I do remapping? I don't know. Isn't that nice? Okay, we got to see if it still works. The build. Let's print the errors directly so we don't need to wait. I could even RM the map itself. RM, bump, sniff them. Errors 9999. Okay. Do it. Nice. 78. That's half the time. I'm not focusing on speed. I just made it run twice as fast, generate the map twice as fast by like deleting code that's overcomplicated. Isn't that wonderful? Dude, I bet I can keep simplifying it like crazy. And like that's the goal. Is it's really overcomplicated. I'm so glad I understood that. Not understood that it's overcomplicated, but understood the simplification that I just made. Oh, damn. Oh wow. I need a run timer on screen. This game is all about speedrunning. I have a terrible time with this map. Recoverable errors. Love it, love it. We got that code minus. You know, it's all about that code minus. Consume. It can't be that much of a cost. Let's look at the diff. 501, 410. It's going down. It's going down. Oh yeah, it's going down. Very nice. No more of this crap. God, it was so backwards. It's like easing tension. Oh, I actually finished the coffee. Wow. I think that's fine because like maybe you want to iterate over it multiple times whenever you want, man. Yeah, I was thinking about if index map updates, it's not a breaking change. When's the last time index map was updated? Breakingly. None of these are breaking changes, right? Serde. This guy also made Rayon, or is also maintaining Rayon. Yoinky. Should I just make it the iterator and like minus all this code? That'd be nice. I could say, yeah, here's your iterator. Right, but point is it generates IDs, right? But I don't have it do that. Let's give it a shot. What happened here? The more I optimize, the harder it's gonna be to do it here as well. La 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 la. Ooh. We ran out of music. Funk, go. Pretty boys. I was right about this going away, but it took longer and was harder than I thought. Yeah, okay. Right, so the mapping happens there. I can delete actually all of this code. Just shove it into the public interface. Oh, come on, dude. Now? God, the gall. That's a big code minus. That probably puts it to an overall minus. Yeah. Should just work. Oh, I'm supposed to be charging. When I plug my phone on the computer, it's really slow charging for some reason. Like, over the course of 12 hours, it does 70% type slow. But like plugging into a normal charger, it just is fast. It's whack. 77 milliseconds. And it's all good. Another opportunity to procrastinate here. Ah. What? Did not see that coming. Oh. I should have known. Yeah, that's a fair trade. 100 lines of code. Oh. Better? Oh. What? I made my way across that anyways. Oh. How do we do? Not like just 10 seconds better. Okay. It all works. See ya. 100 lines of code. We get that minus overall? Minus 100? No, it's still a plus. How is it that code always seems to get added? No matter what. This is kind of sucky, I suppose. Not really sure what to do about that. It's like doing errors properly. Probably simplify. The entire loader is gone. Just like simplified away. I don't know. I don't know. Texture. I removed it from here. There is no mesh loader or texture loader. Like all the code is like 5 lines of code. as late as possible. Where is it? Right here. That's the entirety of the code that replaces everything. Option Roblox asset ID. There's no such thing as a no mesh mesh. Doesn't make sense. So the mesh loader isn't optional. You always have a mesh index. So wacky. I'm quite happy with how this has turned out here. Texture error, texture loader, no such thing. 167 replaced with what? Oh, map minus. Yeah, no, it's this one. 116. I'm thinking. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard. I should be able to like work it through the same way. Yeah, so like mesh index, you either have a Roblox asset ID or you got no mesh, my guy. So hard. It's gonna take a long time. It's such a big job. I really figured it out today. This is like the fruits of my labor. Turned the crazy trait interface into just like 13 lines of code, iterators, and like two fewer intermediate allocations. Maybe more fewer. Maybe more. Map tool. Mesh deferred loader. It needs to read different files. It needs this kind of index. It's just complicated. complicates things so much. I can't believe the loader isn't necessary. Why don't I start here? Where's the guy? So load render configs. Yeah. Load meshes. Go for it, bud. Mesh loader ain't no way. It's infallible. Yeah. That's how you get it. That's how you do. Strings. We will need those, I do believe. It's my function. So yeah. Okay. Load meshes strings. Ain't no loader. Strings. No such thing as self. Oh. Strings. Oh no. I'm producing meshes. Like this. And the goal is, you know, probably I can call this. But I like, how do I avoid matching twice? It's kind of a small thing, but it'd be nice if there's a little function on this guy. Forgot. Index, is that how it is? Index. Yeah. What's this? Index collect. Continue. None of that. None of that. The whole thing. Index content. Okay. Oh. I mean, yeah, literally, it's kind of easy. Just go return none. And then this is some mesh. And then this is wrong. Got to do the convert. Um, the problem is where the code is located. It's right here. Is that the best I can do? It's like give functions. Where does it come from? Function unions get. Unions get. That's an asset ID. I see. So it just. I don't get it. Got rid of half the clone. I don't get it. I think this is the start though. Alright, I don't like this, but I feel like stopping. I'm not really sure how to get rid of this habit. Because, like, sometimes I can work for 8 hours. No problem. I don't know how to make it consistent. I'll have to figure it out. Okay. Cool. Drank lots of coffee today. Got an acceptable amount of work done. The thing that I really wanted to do. It's fun. It's gardening. Cleaning up the code. It's something I've been wanting to do. It's annoying to spread out something that should be like a 1-day job over a whole week. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.